Welcome in Easycad tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we draw a 4 part of sofa assembly. In this tutorial, we assemble these sofa parts. So let's start. Select new. Here go to assembly. Remove is default template tick mark. Give ASM underscore sofa Newton assembly design. First drag one assemble a one part assemble. Here select wooden part, open it. Now this red dragger, we revolve it. Select this face, this plane, make a coincident. This behind part and this plane make coincident. This bottom face, this bottom surface, this surface make coincident and okay. Now our first part is assembled. Now we assemble side cushion part. Select side cushion, open it. Now by this green dragger, we rotate it. I am rotate it. Select this surface and this surface make a coincidence constraint. Drag some out. Select this back surface and this surface make a coincidence. Drag some upward. Select this bottom surface and here this surface make a coincident. Now okay. Now again another side back cushion, assemble it. Side cushion, select this surface, this side surface, make a coincident constraint, drag some upward, select this back and this surface coincident constraint, same, assemble this side. Now our side cushion is ready. Now assemble a back cushion part, assemble back cushion part. You can see back cushion part. Select this behind surface, click on this surface and so fast this surface wooden part, make a coincidence constraint, select side surface and this side surface make coincident, drag upward this surface and it make a coincident. Okay, now again assemble back cushion part and you can also click on here and make a copy and paste by simple way this surface and in this select this surface, this and this. Okay, now again one time paste, select this back surface, this side surface and this bottom surface. Now okay, our 3 back cushion part assembly is complete. Now assemble seat cushion part. Revolve it, select bottom and the surface, make coincident constraint, side coincident, make coincident. Now this assembly is this part seat. Now good and select seat cushion, copy it, paste, select first constraint, second and third one. Okay, same another times, select bottom, side and back. Now okay, our sofa is assembly is completed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. For more tutorial, like and subscribe Easycad tutorial. Don't forget click on bell icon. Thank you.